This is Hard Rock and Citywalk Universal. Taking a look at the menu. Lots of drinks. I don't know what I want though. You're probably gonna get a burger, aren't you?
I had a burger sliders.
We'd like to point out this though. 24 karat gold on a burger.
Because why not?
Because America. It's $24 though. So I guess that's a good price for gold. Yeah. So to the right of the entrance, they have a gift shop. I know pin trading is popular with Hard Rock. That's where they have those here. Pull away the stone. See, from the second floor, you get a really nice view, and there's a guitar in the back of the car. Second floor is empty today. Sonny and Cher. Various outfits. Whoa. What in the heck is this thing? I bet this was in some music video, or if you know, let me know in the comments, because I have no idea what this is and I don't see an information plaque on it. Boy George. Yeah, that seems about right. And you can get your Boy George action figure. Primus. I like how in this eating area here, they just have a drum set up. It's really cool. As you see, they have a bunch of tables down here. Paul McCartney guitar here. There's the David Bowie guitar, signed by the man himself. Aren't going to see too many of those anymore. Oh, look at that. I must say, it's really cool being in Hard Rock in LA, out of all of them. Like, this is kind of I feel like it should be the flagship one. The one in Orlando is bigger, but this one's in LA. In Hollywood. And there's a second floor bar. Not open today. With a guitar on the ceiling. Down on the first floor, there's quite a bit of people eating, so I don't want to really disturb anyone. I'll just kind of do a quick overview. Hey, look, a Kiss lunchbox. Blink-182. I guess they qualify. Good Vibrations. Presented to Hollywood Hard Rock Cafe. You got the original classic sliders.
The original All-American sliders.
Yeah. They look really big, but there's a whole onion ring there holding them up.
Yeah.
I want to watch. This is going to be fun. I want to watch you try and eat this. Yeah, go ahead. Hey, you did pretty good. You smashed it all right.
The onion ring did do. That's a juicy burger.
I got the pulled pork sandwich with broccoli instead of fries because I don't want to completely feel full tonight. Attempt to eat this thing. It is huge. See that?
Seeing it.
You know what it looks like? Remember the jackfruit sandwich we had at a...
Yeah.
Yeah, because it looks really thick.
But it's actual pulled pork.
I forgot to mention there's actual apples in here.
Really?
Full grain is meant, yeah. So you got an apple.
Oh.
That's
Gonna, yeah, I was gonna say that must have had a nice refreshing bite.
We're about halfway through the meal. Doing good over there?
Doing good, I think, considering probably we're gonna eat a bunch of sweets later, this was a good choice, like proportion, like size-wise.
I wanted to point something out. I just finished my sandwich, but the broccoli, it's one piece of broccoli. I haven't touched it yet. I'm happy it's really small, but if you were expecting fries or something and you got broccoli instead, it seems like a really small portion. Just so you know. But that's exactly what I want.
Yeah, it looks like they just planned it.
Yeah. But hey, I'm happy because I don't want to eat too much. Alright, how did you feel about Hard Rock?
I mean, it's always a fun place. I just love the fact that there's good music playing, and like you said, no sports on TV, just actual music videos.
I meant the food, but yeah, you know, you got on the TVs instead of sports playing music videos.
And the
it's way
food
better.
is good too, you know?
Yeah. I liked how like the onion rings added a nice crisp to your little burgers.
Yeah, sure.
So good. And then I like how the pulled pork had like apple, real apple. That was good. So overall, good experience. Any more comments? No, yeah. Hard Rock's the same anywhere, but it was cool to actually do it in Hollywood.
Yeah.
So that'll do it. Thank you all for watching, and see you next time.
Bye.